Long ago, in the heart of Igbo land, there lived a clever little tortoise known as Mbe. He was not the strongest, not the fastest, but he was the most cunning of all the animals in the land. The village of Umoka, there was a sacred drum, not just any drum, a talking drum called Ikoro. It spoke the truth, revealed secrets, and was only used in terms of great importance. But when Mbe heard of this magical drum, his shell nearly rattled with excitement. He wanted it not to protect the village, but to use it for his own selfish tricks. During the New Yam festival, as villagers danced and laughed, Mbe crept into the palace square and stole the talking drum. He carried it deep into the forest, hiding it in a secret cave near the river. And then the performance began. He invited the animals one by one, pretending the drum could speak their destinies. "You must stop stealing yam leaves," he would say in a deep voice after beating the drum. The animals believed him. They brought him gifts, yams, palm wines, even kola nuts. But someone was watching. Nza, the little bird, sharp-eyed and clever, perched high in the trees, saw through the lies. He flew back to the village and chipped the truth for all to hear. The villagers and the animals marched into the forest and caught Mbe red-handed. Just as they were about to drag him away, the drum spoke on its own. "Let Mbe be punished, but let him also be remembered. For he who steals wisdom shall forever live with foolishness." And so Mbe was made to carry the drum on his back for 77 days, walking from village to village, telling the story of his greed and deceit. That is why the tortoise shell is marked with lines to this day, the scars of the drum he once carried. Cleverness without wisdom always leads to shame, and no matter how far lies may travel, truth will always catch up. The end.